Welcome back to our channel. We provide you detailed information on medicines and drugs to help you inform your health. In today's video, we can talk about Sporlac DS Tablet coverage, uses, benefits, side effects, how to use and how it works. Let's get started. Manufactured by JB Chemicals and Pharmaceuticals Ltd. Sporlac DS Tablet. Uses. Sporlac DS Tablet is mainly used to treat diarrhea caused by infections, prolonged use of antibiotics, or other digestive issues. Benefits. This tablet works by restoring the balance of good bacteria in the intestine. It helps manage indigestion, reduces flatulence, improves irregular bowel movements, and supports better absorption of nutrients. By creating a healthy intestinal environment, it aids in proper digestion and overall gut health. Side effects. Although generally safe, Sporlac DS Tablet may cause mild side effects such as indigestion, flatulence, irregular bowel movements, or diarrhea. If these symptoms persist, consult your doctor. How to use. Take Sporlac DS Tablet exactly as directed by your healthcare professional. Do not self-medicate or exceed the prescribed dose. How it works. Sporlac DS Tablet contains lactobacillus, a probiotic, or live microorganism, that helps restore good bacteria in the intestines. It prevents diarrhea and maintains gut health, especially after infections or prolonged antibiotic use.